Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Now, The Man Called Dances with Wolves returns. Michael Blake, who wrote both the novel and the screenplay for the 1990 film, has finally produced a sequel, The Holy Road, that completes his tale of Dunbar's redemption. 28 October 2001.
Let's help you make your mark.
9. Costner did most of his own stunts. Wilson estimates that Costner did 95% of his own writing, shooting, fighting and wolf dancing in the film. While the crew held their breath, the star got up, dusted himself off, and hopped on his stunt double's horse to finish the scene. 22 November 2015.
Take our lead.
Spearfish Canyon. Spearfish Canyon is where the film's final winter scene took place. The site can be found north of Rufflock Falls in Spearfish Canyon in the Black Hills National Forest. It is located on Forest Road 222, about 3 miles upstream from the Spearfish Canyon Resort.
Let's help you make your mark.
For the buffalo kill sequences, the dance's crew rigged Mammoth with a Steve Martin-esque strap that made it look as if arrows were piercing his hide. Wire and fur dummies were used to represent the fallen animals. Considering the awesome logistical challenges, the 8-day shoot was remarkably free of mishaps. 8 March 1991.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Kevin Costner. Kevin Costner received many awards and nominations for his directing and acting, including the Academy Award for Best Director. Dances with Wolves is an American epic Western war film directed by and starring Kevin Costner, who co-produced the film with Jim Wilson.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.